Saeskyn Korean Silkcare is marketed as a skincare serum that promises smoother skin, improved hydration, and a more youthful-looking complexion. The ads can make it sound like a single product can dramatically transform your skin. But the real question is, does it actually work? Now, to be fair, facial serums can be an effective part of a skincare routine, especially when they contain proven ingredients that target hydration or specific skin concerns. What it does well may improve skin hydration. Serums often contain moisturizing ingredients that help the skin feel softer and smoother. Lightweight formula. They absorb quickly and fit easily into most skincare routines. Where the hype falls apart, it won't transform your skin overnight. This is the biggest issue. Meaningful skincare results usually take weeks of consistent use. Results depend on the ingredients. The effectiveness comes from a formula, not the marketing. Everyone's skin is different. A serum that works well for one person may not produce the same results for another. So, does Saeskyn Korean Silkcare actually work? Short answer, it may help, but don't expect miracles. If it contains effective skincare ingredients, it may improve hydration and overall skin appearance. However, expecting dramatic anti-aging or skin repair results from one serum alone is unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.